Welcome to the Woodworks Shop SOP for blade cleaning using the Mirojig blade cleaning system. First, we remove the lid of the blade cleaner and attach the magnetic handle to the dirty saw blade. Then we place the saw blade, pressing down firmly into the cleaning solution. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes depending on how dirty the blade is. After the allotted time, we will press down firmly and rotate the blade away from the face of the blade teeth in order to scrub the sides of the blade. Repeat as necessary and use a brass brush for any very stubborn glue and pitch. Then we will remove the handle and repeat the process for the other side. We are using the CMT blade and bit cleaner to remove any of the excess pitch and glue on the saw blade. Again, when you're brushing the blade teeth, move towards the face of the teeth as to not damage the carbide teeth. Once the sides are complete, we will start working on the face of the teeth using the same brass brush method. Set the blade down to give yourself leverage as the brush will catch on the saw blade teeth. If necessary, rotate the handle in order to make this job easier for yourself. Once the face of the teeth are clean, we will take a clean towel and wipe the blade off from the cleaning solution. The cleaning solution will leave a thin layer of film on the saw blade. This is okay as it is to prevent future pitch buildup during saw blade use. Be sure to inspect the saw blade for any chipped or broken teeth as you clean the blade off. If any broken teeth are found, please set the blade aside in order to be sent out for repair. Thank you for watching the Woodworks Shop SOP on saw blade cleaning.